Ganja and that, me make no know. So here what me say, back to R. Kelly. R. Kelly.
Yeah, what's up?
Are you me say on an interview other day, you know? Me see you on TV.
Doing what?
Violently, swiftly, constantly sucking out body hole, you know, you got dead.
No man, you got it wrong. Chuck fit the reason I kissed for it. You know? I didn't lick for it, I kissed for it.
So where you got them, me say? When me say on the TV, I fuck it, I lie them, I tell.
Yes, that's called camera trick, you know what I mean?
How you gonna talk about camera trick? A trick, Laurie, a trick when she have the camera upon it. How kind of fuckery you talking to people in place, my youth? You leave the change up your style, my youth.
Man,
me say you got dead.
Man, don't get me cross, man. Let me do my interview. Okay, you asked me a question, let me answer the question.
How you gonna talk about? How am I interview this and you think I hear one?
Man, I said I'm an important celebrity, and I have pity on you and come on your boring shows. So guess what? Make me talk when I talk. I talk when I want to talk. Because I'm R. Kelly. Guess what? I didn't do anything like that. In America, there are a lot of technology. America is a very technologically savvy country. So you have the latest technology. So guess what?
What?
Camera can do tricks. Camera can make you look like a brown one. The camera can make me look like The Rock. And as you can see, I'm a mosquito. So guess what? They will trick you, man. I don't do nothing like that. My great aunt is from Jamaica. And I heard that from Jamaica, they're homophobic. So guess what? I have a Jamaican in my bloodline coming down. So guess what? I ain't doing none of that shit.
Yo, let me tell you something, brother. I know why you call mix up Jamaica in a year slackness, you know? Because I see you on WhatsApp, I see you on Skype, I see you on Facebook, I see you on YouTube, you know. How kind of fuckery you going with you?
I said.
Me say you about dead.
I said, guess what? Guess what, man? Guess what? I said I didn't do it, man. I told you this is camera trick. I called my friend Snoop Dogg. What? Snoop Dogg. Yo, I'm Snoop Dogg.
Yo, Snoop Dogg up on the line there.
Yeah, I'm Snoop Dogg.
Yo, Snoop Dogg, you hear what I say?
Yeah.
You don't know what I me and the boy R. Kelly and call up your name a while ago, road boy.
Saying wow.
I come talk about your pussy hole and your idiot and all them things.
No, R. Kelly can say that. R. Kelly want me to shoot him.
I know you're the real Snoop Dogg, you.
Yeah, I'm a real Snoop Doggy Dog.
So Snoop,
yeah.
What I go on foreign? Tell me what I go on in New York City.
You know, New York City is nice right now. I just bought a new Escalade Lambo, you know, it's so high, interior is awesome.
And that may make you know when you overthrow the government and that.
Yeah.
Me say I am the richest artist, you know.
I know.
Alright now me say I bring Dog at Disney World and Postcard Doctor, you know.
Yeah,
you have money to know what to do with it in a road, boy.
Y'all my best friends, you know what I mean? Hey, nobody tell them who they're playing with, man. You know? From the gully. Yeah, that's enough, man.
And that make you know that you're part with all the richest boy from Jamaica. And you see bad man in the road and not even want to give them the money. Me say a whole heap of tax and gratuities you have to give for another day, you know, boy.
Yeah.
And you have to go start pay a bum buckler money for come to Jamaica.
Pay you for what?
And that make you know.
Dog. And I don't pay money to bullshit, man. You want my money, come for my money.
How you come at? Yo.
You come at my crib from my house.
Yo, Uncle Socks. Money to the object, you know. Flush.
Hey, man, go easy, man. Go easy, man. Hey, my father, tell me who we're playing with, man.
Yo, me I want to watch a boy, you know. Because you see all the woman over here, so. When he rocks on, after all the day, she a pre me, you know. So me I want to put the camera upon her and interview her too, you know. And that me I make you know.
How are you?
And see me put the camera and run.
You sure son about it?
Uncle Socks, man, you.
You sure say I'm pretty, she are pretty, yo.
And that me I say no man, you.
Oh, you mean, you have your job with the transport, because we have no transport.
And that me I go do it. 12 o'clock now I start up the transport.
Oh, you mean.
See the tools and the train, them,
Oh, you mean, I go for the boy from night down there. No weakness.
As it does up, gunshot and bust up.
Straight, man.
Video cut up.